Today I'm finishing 6 pocket spoons with a new decoration, beach inspired, mostly seashells. So this is the last part of the Kolrosing process. All I need is my pigment, and for this I will use finely ground coffee. See? And I'll need some linseed oil. See, organic linseed oil, cold pressed. So this is for salads and such. So it's also called flaxseed oil in the US. So it's for human consumption. It's food grade oil. Not to be confused with boiled linseed oil, which is made for furniture and has toxic additives. So why linseed oil? Well, you need oil that polymerizes. So any oil that polymerizes is good. Linseed oil polymerizes. You can also use walnut if there's no allergies, and some other oils. But linseed is something that was used traditionally and works really well. So I like to pre-polymerize my oil. So put it in any container that is see-through, like glass container, anything. And put it on the windowsill, anything where there's light or sun, and it will start to polymerize. It will get thicker and lose the smell, so it's much nicer to use. So this has not polymerized a lot, but it's winter, so it's harder, and I use a lot of this oil. So what I'm going to show you now is how I use it. So let's start. These are some new designs, some seashells, and they are on pocket spoons. So you see, pocket spoons are small eating spoons you can put in your pocket. Really cool. So first I oil the spoons. So let's start. I put a little bit of oil on my fingers and just rub the oil on the spoons. See? It's already getting shine. You don't need too much oil. Just rub off any excess. So let's do number 2. See? Oh, it's already looking nicer. And you have to put enough oil, but not too much, you know. I like to use my hands and just rub it in. See, this is all knife finish, and bowls of eating spoons need to be really smooth and nice, you see? Eating spoons go into the mouth, so it's really important to have a perfect mouth feel and so on. If you sand spoons, they're gonna go after immersing them into water and liquids, they will again be very harsh because the grain is torn and not cut like with the knife here. When the knife is cut properly, you can immerse the wood in water and not raise the grain. So, and let's do this one. This one has some interesting thing in the grain, but so each one is unique. This is wild cherry, by the way, so really nice wood. My favorite for Kolrosing. So if you want to see the whole Kolrosing process, I have a lot of Kolrosing videos, so check them out. Subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to bring more videos and so on. Okay. they're already looking nice. You see how nice and shiny they are? And this is really smooth. Nice and smooth, you see? Has a nice crank and everything, so it just needs to be perfect for eating. So now I'm taking my coffee and I will apply coffee on the designs here. So a little bit of coffee in my hand and just rub it in. See? The magic happens. Yeah, looking good. We're gonna clean them out all a little bit. So number 3. See? Number 4. Okay. Number 5. And 6. See? So now I'm just going to clean them out a little bit. With my hand. Let's move this a bit. Okay, just gonna clean them from any excess coffee. Okay, so this is how they look after first cleaning, just with my hand. I'm losing light here because it's winter and it's very dark, very early, and it's crap weather all the way, but so what can you do? So now I'm just gonna clean them even more with just some more linseed oil. I put some linseed oil on my finger and rub it so it cleans the design more. So see I'm losing light, so it is what it is here. Looking nice now. So I'll clean each one, and if you need more pigment you can add more and apply more if needed, but this is all good. So we have a bit harsh shadows here, but you can see the gist of it. So see, it cleans nicely. And if you were wondering, no, this doesn't wash out. So as you can see, it didn't wash out when I applied oil here, so it doesn't wash out from the lines here. So I'm just washing everything else but the lines. So you can normally wash the spoon and it will last. Kolrosing design will last as long as the spoon, so this can be like many years of use. Okay. And also for the finish itself, you can burnish the spoon, which is done. I do it with a glass marble. It's perfect for this, but you can use various things, another piece of wood, just to make it more shiny and close the pores more. You see? Just a quick demo here. This is really not the spot to do this, so but you get how it's done. See? Super smooth, shiny, perfect. Kolrosing is really nice here. Nice and cleans up nicely. And here they are following morning, so you can see them in some proper light. I think they look quite good. See? Nice, clean, shiny. And I love the feel of this wood. Has that vintage vibe, which goes well with this kind of craft. So, what do you think? Not bad, huh? So, also today I have some more spoons here to show you I finished. See? This is a cooking spoon with a 3-flower design. Also cool. Some monogrammed ones. Another cooking spoon with a monogram and a different monogram here. And also I have one mini coffee scoop with a bee. See? Not bad. Regular size coffee scoop. You can see the difference here. See? And this one is with coffee beans, so that's cool. Coffee scoop with coffee beans. And I have a little sea turtle on a honey dipper. See? I love how this wood shines on when it's hit by the light, especially when it's sunny. No sun now. Late autumn, so it is what it is. What do you think? Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.